We're gonna play this pool. We're gonna start over there. Let's go into the day. Yo, it's so deep. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Yo, there's a hole on it. Ew. We can go down on it. Wow. How does people over there? Give the deepest pool in the world. I feel like upside down. We are totally in the deepest pool. I need to do the back of it. It's raining. Keep going until Scooby is right. It's a defense pool in the world. That's right. So crazy. So crazy, right? Yeah, but we need to go in that. To go in that. Yo, I took it backwards. I did love you to hear, and I still
Ano yung ulam na isa?
Let's get out! Cute!
Ito kaldereta. Sa ilalim nito, ito ang puro kaldereta. Yung ilalim nito.
Ano yung kaldereta?
Carry. Kids.
Sino yung nagluto?
Catch the kid, yes. Floating into the water. Wow. World of pure imagination. So bye guys. I'm gonna do it in June 9th. So I'm gonna do it in June 9th. Bye guys. Bye.